Hey y'all, what's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a super quick, super duper easy hair tutorial. I actually posted this picture on Instagram like a week or so ago, and I got a rush of DMs asking me to do a tutorial on this hairstyle. I think a lot of people think that this hairstyle is like hard to do, but honestly, y'all, it takes like 5 seconds to do. And so I was debating if I wanted to do an Instagram story on the hairstyle or do a YouTube video on the hairstyle. And I decided just to go ahead and do a YouTube video because just in case there are people out there who don't follow me on Instagram, you guys can still get the tutorial and still see how to achieve a super duper simple natural hairstyle. It's an updo hairstyle, so it's great for the winter time, so your hair isn't like brushing on your sweaters and your scarves and things like that. Like I said, it takes no time at all, and yeah, it's one of my favorite go-to hairstyles to do, especially whenever I don't know where my curls all the way out. And it's very versatile, so you can wear it with the wash and go, like a perm rod set, twist out, literally any kind of natural hairstyle this updo goes great with. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. You guys can see I have a wash and go going on. It is a 2-day-old wash and go, so the curls are still somewhat defined. There are areas where it's kind of frizzy, but there are areas where my hair is still pretty defined. And the best part about this hairstyle is that it's very forgiving, so you don't have to have like super perfect, very defined curls. It works honestly across the board with really old hairstyles or brand new hairstyles, like fresh hairstyles. So it's very forgiving. And so all you will need, you guys, all you need for this hairstyle is a hair tie. That is it. So what you're going to do first is just section off a small portion of your bangs. So I like to just take off like a medium-sized section, maybe like this big. You just don't want for the bangs to be too bulky or too full. So I will leave out about this much of my bangs. So I will just clip this section of my bangs off, just like that, okay? So we have that so far. And then next is the easy part. So you're going to push the rest of your hair upwards. So all you are doing, you guys, is just pushing the hair towards the top of your head, kind of like you're about to do a puff, but there's just hair in the front of your face. So you're just continuing to push your hair all the way up. That's literally it. I like to leave a couple of pieces dangling down. I feel like that makes the look a little bit more effortless, a little bit more flirty whenever there are just a few pieces hanging out. I don't know, that's just me. So you can skip that step, but I will purposely go in and like pull some pieces down just to give like a little something. So yeah, you're pulling everything towards the top of your head. I'll go ahead and pull a couple of pieces down over here, and the rest of my hair is up top at the very top of my head. And honestly, without talking to y'all, this takes a few seconds to do. And so once you have all of your hair on top of your head, like you guys see here, you're gonna take your hair tie and just make a ponytail. So that part is super easy. I went ahead and removed the clip, and the last step is what brings this whole entire look together, and that is just to fluff everything out. So pretty much you're just fluffing out your ponytail, and you are making sure that your ponytail and the bang like flows together. So you don't want for it to be too choppy. You want to make sure that everything is just flowing together, because at that point you can't see the ponytail. You can't see where your hair is starting and stopping. It just looks like it's all one cohesive hairstyle, but in reality it's just a bang and a ponytail. So you just do some fluffing around. That's literally all that I do, y'all. So simple, so easy, and that's it. That is it, you guys. That is the hairstyle. I will show you guys close up how it looks. I love it. I have been doing this hairstyle nonstop for the past like week, and I don't see myself stopping anytime soon because it is literally the easiest natural hairstyle like that I personally know how to do. And yeah, it just looks super cute, and it's great for like going on the go, running errands, going to work, and it looks honestly very put together. It looks just really natural and just fun. So yeah, that's it, you guys. That is my super duper easy natural hairstyle tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I love sharing it with you guys. I hope y'all learned something from it. If you guys did, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. As always, I love y'all. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye, guys.